Oh, hetem is tiresome. If we'll hold Tamkik is nepa, so you don't have the case of hetem.
What do you mean? In the same
case.
Well,
in the same case.
In
But
the
you can
same-
have in shitas both.
Yeah.
You can hold that when you have separate, I'm also hetem is taplisu.
Yeah.
And when it's combined, I'm holding this tamkika. I can hold in shita the both case, but I never have one case that have both.
Yeah.
But that don't mean because I hold that that is tamkika, not hetem is taplisu, that I don't agree with
Yeah,
the different case of
let's
hetem is
understand.
taplisu.
But let's understand a little bit. Why? If I have two in one case, I have two things.
You
Well,
can't.
no, let's slowly. I can't. 1 second. Why don't I say first hetem it's darfleis, and I don't have a problem?
Raise your heter.
What's his problem?
Raise your heter. If you hold an heter, you become asu.
Yeah.
Ne'afach li'isu.
Yeah.
So you don't have heter anymore. So you don't have room to say heter mistablis.
No.
Because heter mistablis means you have an heter, you have an isu, and even like that, the heter help you to be over on the isu. It's a big chidush to say that I have an heter. And have isu in separate, and because I eat them bebasechad,
Yeah.
my heter help me, give me the genim, help me to be over an isu. Big chidush. So that I need to have an heter and have an isu. But if I hold like Rashi, that when they mix up,
Yeah.
the heter is not here anymore.
That's right.
The heter is
There's no hetem it's
so it's
darfleis.
not heter, it's a different story.
That's right.
But that don't mean that if you hold tamkeika like Rashi, that the heter me'afal isu, that in a case, in a different case,
That's
where
right.
I will be both.
That's right. Where they're separate.
Isu of heter
Right.
mistablis isu, like Rabbi
Okay, good.
Akiva.
Yeah. But we do see in one part that this is true. Okay. Now let's now project from here.
Doesn't depend
What?
on your definition of heter.
What?
Depends on what your definition of heter mistarflis is. How does that work?
Exactly.
Maybe heter mistarflis was also ma'apor ma'apech.
Why
Why not? How does it work? Where does it come? It's mistarf. Where is mistarf? It's mistarf. So where is it? What is
The
it?
din.
It has to be a did.
Heter help you to be over an isu. It's a big
Because usually they're two separate entities. The din says
The
that.
din say that
Jede Basachas, that's it.
you eat the basai. The din is
So is it
achila.
ma'apech or not ma'apech?
That is more like you say, like Azik said.
What?
That you need a volume of achila.
See, I'll tell you why I want to grip into the problem. Because he holds later. I hold one svar, the other one's pshita. Which is more pashut? The other. In other words, which is more pashut? How does it work? And are they exclusive, not exclusive to the other one? Are they exclusive terms or not? This is an important problem too. We got to solve.
But technically, it's a bomba kasha against Rashi.
Yeah, what's the
Even
one?
a shitaso.
Just show me.
Because here, when you said iruvo, Rashi said iruvo here.
Yeah. And he was Tamkika.
Iruvo is tamkika. How can you define here?
I know, that's a very
That's
strong.
not a Lashon Rashi.
Okay, but it's also a problem with Rashi. With Rashi, also.
Yeah, but Rashi says it.
Rashi said
They
iruvo.
know. That's a big kasha. How can it be? It doesn't exist.
Exactly.
It means that they're opposite terms. In this case.
In this
And yet he
case.
puts it together, which is crazy. That's
see,
that's really the strong kasha.
I didn't read the answer to this question.
He answers by
Hold
saying,
Tamkika at this point.
you don't hold Tamkika at this point, which comes out, you're gonna get, that's why I said the historical, I gotta run out, the historical logical approach comes out, they come out the Gemara, this Gemara didn't have, he's going, Abai was going to Shitas of Rabbi Yochanan. Why don't we answer very simple, Abai holds Shitas Rabbi Yochanan? Anything but Rashi is difficult. A lot of these questions we can say, Abaya holds the Shita of Rabbi Yochanan. There's no kasha, Abaya
No, he
l'didei.
doesn't.
Well, why can't you say that? Abaya l'didei holds one thing. But he's talking a Libra Shita of Rabbi Yochanan, which is a Rabbi Yochanan of the of Chulin over there, of Rava, that he holds Tamkika's Lav Darais. And in Mela we don't have this problem.
You said like that, right?
But we're gonna get involved with the Gemaras. You have one Gemara. If you read the Gemara Psachim simply, you'll say it's only Dafka Libra Rav Akiva. He's saying the word, and other places not really. He's on his own. What happened over here? This is like a Stam Gemara. We have to get involved with Gemaras versus Gemaras. How it works. I have to run. I hate to tell you, but please go over the piece well. You're gonna see a lamd and a master in the piece, and the master is a master. And you cannot find many pieces like this. You already know the svaras, you're already involved in Tamkika, you already went through Reb Chaim Levi, and you got the beautiful thing. And you got to work out the pieces a little bit. I'm interested basically in Shitas Rashi. I will not do more than Shitas Rashi. When I come back, I'll be
We've
involved.
just done that.
Just Shitas Rashi. And I will talk about it. There's Shitazot, there's Rashboard, there's Rabbeinu Tam. I want to say Kaddish Rabbanan, I gotta run.